Test websites and give feedback. If you have a keen eye for website design and development, consider becoming a website tester. It's a great freelance job to make fast cash and a good starting point for newbies looking to enter the web development industry. As a website tester, it's necessary to have critical and logical thinking skills, excellent communication skills, and knowledge of website functionality and design. These factors can help improve job prospects and test reporting quality. Payments are project-based, and rates differ based on testing methods and the marketplace's policy. For example, user testing offers between $4–$120 per test, where the higher earnings threshold is for people doing live conversation tests with clients. Here are a few other marketplaces where people can sign up for website testing projects. Ubertesters, a crowdsourced testing service focusing on mobile app and game testing. Userbrain, an online tool offering UX testing for websites and digital product prototypes. Testbirds, user experience testing for digital products, including e-commerce stores, mobile apps, and fitness trackers. Userlytics, in addition to testing websites and apps, it offers projects focusing on reviewing video commercials. TryMyUI, it provides impression testing for websites and mobile apps via recorded testing videos or survey-based feedback.